Super girly ng datingan. Hindi na mukhang tumboyin. Hindi na mukhang lalaki at barako. I'm so Ang oras ngayon ay alas 6 ng gabi. And I'm going to clean. Oh, see? What a mess. What a messy. Kaya malilinisan kasi messy eh. Look at that naman. Tingnan niyo naman mabuti ang aking napakagandang top. Alam niyo ba na napakamura lang yan pero... Diba? Ang ganda ba? Oh, ang ganda niya guys. Gandang-ganda ako. Ang ganda niya. Kasi I like the cotton. Medyo struggle lang kasi pusa siyang tumataas guys. Oo. Especially kapag smooth yung skin mo. Kahit hindi smooth, basta magalaw mo lang siya, ayan. Umaano na agad siya. Pero, but at least, pambahay ko lang naman to eh. Kasi naman, super struggle naman ng person kapag ginamit mo to dun sa labas. Ano, lagi lang gaganyan-ganyanin. Ha? Hindi na para ganyan-ganyanin pa yan. Okay. But I think, I'm so happy with this. But I think ito ay medyo baba. Medyo baba, kaya siguro na ano sa akin. Pero I like that. Super girly ng datingan. Hindi na mukhang tumboyin. Hindi na mukhang lalaki at barako. I'm so mukha ng soft girl yan. Hindi na makabasag pinggan talaga ang person. Ganyan siya. Mag-ayos lang ako ng buhok pero tataas na yan siya. Parang gusto niya na talaga hubaran ng taong ito. Ayan na. Pero let's begin. Kasi kailangan kong maglinis ng pangmadalian na kasi magka-inventory pa ang person. Magto-total pa ng mga pamili na nakarang araw. At talagang matatagalan niya. Baka magbilang pa ako ng mga remittance na yan. Aha. Nalalaman ko na ang aking hinaharap. Kaya tayo bilisan na natin. Magpapalit ako ng bedsheet. One thing. Magpapalit ako ng bedsheet. Yung bedsheet na niregalo ko kay Big Boss noong year-end party. And mas excited pa ako sa niregaluhan. Kasi ako yung magpapalit nito. Ha? Guys. Get out of my way. Get out of there. We need to clean it. ASAP. Go, 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 go. You're too scared of me. I'm not scaring you guys. You just need to move out here. Guys, one thing pa pala, ay wala akong tagalaban na kaming dinis sa bahay. Kaya ako maglalabat tomorrow. Ay napakadami naman ang lamog na ere. But I'm not complaining. I'm just saying it. So, madami pa. But it's fine. We have washing machine. It's easy and basic doon. Ikot-ikot lang yun siya doon. Iiwan ko na yan. Maghapon yan doon. Ay, hindi pwede maghapon. Makikita ni Big Boss na yung mapapagalitan. Someone give this to Big Boss. It's a mug. And another one, this is si Panyo. Panyo na I think mamahalin at galing pa sa SM talaga. This one. Regalo din to ng mga employees sa Chuck Sisting. And look at that. This is a combination of pink and violet which is favorite color ni Madam Bertud. It's so nice. And of course, meron siyang travel pillow right here. Travel pillow ba to? This is Korami. And lavender again, like violet. At napakaganda niya. Favorite color is violet and pink. And so nice, guys. I think this is what I need. Nakabad trip naman ako, oy. Ito yung tissue. Pagkalabas ko ng pinto ay nakaapak akong tae guys. Kasi ang dilim. Hindi ako natutuwa kasi I'm back. Look at that. Sabi ko sa'yo, konti taas lang yun. Tumataas na rin siya. Para talaga siyang nakakaloka talaga. Ayan, akong nililitik ang sarili ko. Ayan siya. Maganda. Maganda siya. Alam niyo, hindi kasi ako girly. But this time, I want to claim that I'm a self-care. Self-care. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? Parang hirap-hirap naman sabihin. Okay, binibini yan siya talaga. Ayan. At ako nagbuhat. Binibini nga eh. Ito yun. And this is our regalo for Big Boss with manager and Ate Lizelle. Don't make me sad. It's so apiki ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi ko siya pwedeng ilabas. Although maganda siya, but I can't do this often. Yung lagi na lang magtaas-taas at baba-baba naman yan. Para namang... But it's pretty. It's look elegant. And... But anyway, this is this. Ayoko sana magbuhat-buhat para hindi makikita ang aking pagkamacho ba. Huh? Kasi naman nakakaya naman sa damit na ito eh. That making me soft, girl. But I cannot. This is it. Here you go. This is my first gift. Okay, I find it. I found that. Ay, ano ba yan? Ang hirap naman mag-English. Do you know why I am speaking English even may mali, even may mali or wrong grammar because so what the point kung mali? I'm just practicing. I am learning, and this is the process to meet and reach the progress. Okay. But anyway, this is it. This one, di ba? This is, I feel like, binibini talaga. Binibining sanggan. Okay, wag nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Kailangan na natin siya mailagay kasi time is running. Sooner or later, nandiyan na si Big Boss from duty. And I think, maghahabol ako sa uhan. I cannot do that. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Super layo na ng akin narating. Tinan mo, December na ngayon. Kailan pa yung last kong video? Kasi naman, hindi nga ako nakapag-video dun sa event ng year-end party. Kasi wala naman ang storage ng person na iyan. Bakit that? This is perfect. Alam niyo ba? Inalam ko talaga kung anong size nitong bed. Kasi baka ang mabili ko, king size, ganyan. Which is, this is queen size. Perfect! Sakto-sakto! Napakagaling ko! Do you know why did I choose this bedsheet sets? Bedsheet set? Kasi although merong bedsheet si Big Boss, pero I found out na he has a lot of bedsheet pero wala siyang bedsheet na kakulay ng kanyang favorite color, which is this one, violet. So I guess this is a perfect gift for her. Especially, ako yung nag-aayos ng higaan. So, I think, mas excited talaga ako. Don't you know that no one knows that I'm vlogging and posted it in YouTube? And no one, so I am so happy about that na walang nakakita ng aking ginagawa. Tinigil ko na kasi ang pag-post ng video kasi I want to be private, but this time I would like to remember kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko. Kasi sooner or later, wala eh. Wala talaga. Sooner or later, I'm no longer working student. Yeah, it will, magiging story na lang ito. Pass. But a greatest pass. Kasi makikita ko yung process na nagawa ko to achieve the progress. Bakit naman papaputok-putok pa ang aga-aga? Wala pa namang ano? Natatakot ng aso namin ay pupulbit-pulbit na yun doon ng paa. Alam niyo ba na I am happy every single day because I appreciate my life, my living, and my everyday struggle. Kasi nga, I feel excited pa. Struggle. Kasi sabi niya, kung ano yung mga nararamdaman mo ngayon, ano nararanasan mo ngayon, yun ay makakatulong sa iyo. That's only for you. So, if you can't appreciate it, nahirapan. Oo nga pala. Gusto ko i-mention in this picture that I gave Big Boss a letter. That's assurance. That's assurance na she have me. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, 2 beses lang ako magbibigay ng letter. The first one is assurance and the last one is goodbye. So I already accept the fact that this is just my begin. This is just the step. So, para ma-develop ang aking sarili. Pero, I want to go there, out of country, because I think my heart beats there. Guys, I have a lot of clothes to wash tomorrow. This is a lot. Not OA. This is a lot. I just hope because I love you a lot. Dito lang ako madalas nakakapagkwenta. Do you know that I have a brother who supported me in my year-end party? He bought me accessories like this one talaga yon, at Mikana. And then she buy me a shoes, bag, and I'm so happy to have her. Ako ay saludo sa inyo. Pero hindi man niya ito napapanood kaya that's why. But I'm so lucky and so happy and I'm so grateful that I have him in my life. He guided me, he advising me, he told me, he tutoring me, and he always telling me what to do, and I'm thankful. I'm thankful that he's here. He's here by my side always. I have a comfort Comfort. It's like he's the person na I am comfortable to speak up my feelings, even my personal things. Why would I feel unlucky? Unlucky. Bakit ko mararamdaman ng sobrang kalungkutan ay sa totoo lang? I'm so swerte. I have my parents. I have my family. I have good connection to my brother. I have godmother, which is because I am studying pre-tuition in my school, Iris. I have work. I have experience. I'm Iglesia ni Cristo. Diba? I'm pretty. I'm happy. And I have good personality. I have good character. Ano pa? Bakit ka maiinggit? You have your own beauty. You have your own standard. You can live in your own. You are independent. You are not dependent to your parents. You earn. And you spend it on yourself, on your family, and that is a good thing that you have. Oh my God. Sana, every woman can feel what I'm feeling right now. This is the power of women. I don't have a boyfriend. I don't need him. I don't need a man. I can support myself. I can buy a flower. I can buy myself chocolate. What else? I can pleasure myself though by spending my money to buy what I want, skincare, dress. Because why would I need a man? I don't want to depend on him to anyone, and I'm going to buy a house for myself. Nowadays, in my 22, I think this is not the perfect time for a relationship, guys. No, I'm not going to what my baby. Not that I'm so young pa. I look young. And parang hindi pa bagay sa akin maging mommy or maging sugar mommy. Charis lang. Well, I'm in a nasa stage ako kung saan I just want to enjoy my life as a single woman. Ayun lang. I love myself. Hindi. Mahal ko nga ang sarili. Hindi ako papaloko. Para hindi maloko, huwag maghanap ng boyfriend. Oo, better talaga. So, parang better. So, what the point? Kasi ayoko na mag-video. Magpapatugtog na ako. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Magpupo-storage ng person. Sino mo may taling dito? Sabi nila, habulin daw yan. Habulin ng lalaki. Ay, nako, ay aso lang mahabol sa akin. Bye-bye. Dito lang. Masya na. Bye-bye. Nandito ako ngayon sa Landers. Namimili kami ng snacks sa bahay dahil bawal magutom ang aming bago. Siya. Ito na yung membership card. Lo, ba't ako? Ano yan? Ito mo. Hindi tayo makakapasok.
Tayo makakapasok kasi tayo makakapasok. Labas ko na kasi ano.
Walang membership. Nakapasok na naman ang hampas lupa sa Landers.